Hey dolls, welcome back again to my channel. It's Yonella here today, and today we're going to be doing a eye makeup look. So my last two videos have been like Marshall haul videos and like a vlog. I just wanted to change it up a little bit and add in a eye makeup tutorial today. And I'm actually going to be using a palette that I picked up from, was it TJ Maxx? Yeah, from TJ Maxx. It's the Revolution Affirmation palette that I picked up a few weeks ago, so it was like 2 haul videos ago. So excuse my voice if I sound a little bit like nasally today, because I am sick again for like the 3rd or 4th time this year. And I actually just got back from vacation 2 days ago, and on vacation I ended up getting sick because I was caught in a draft, and I think that's what kind of like resurfaced the whole sickness thing again. But yeah, I'm trying to fight that. I do go back to work tomorrow, which it's been about 2 weeks since I've been to work, so I'm kind of excited, but then I also wish vacation was a bit longer. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial today. So I've already done my foundation, which I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So I'm going to start off with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. So I'm picking up this first shade right here at the top of the palette. It's the lightest shade in the whole entire palette, and we're going to use this to create a base for our eye makeup. Next, I'm going to take a neutral shade, which is going to be the 6th shade at the top row of this palette, and we're just going to go ahead and fill in our crease. Then I'm going to take the shade right next to it. It's more like a mauve-y with reddish undertones shade, and we're going to apply this just under that transition color. And I'm not going to take it all the way in, just kind of like halfway in. This is such a pretty shade. It'd be perfect for the lid as well, but today we're going to be a more bronzy-ish kind of shade. But I just want to pop in a little bit of sparkle as well. Then if we move down to the 2nd row right underneath that shadow we just used, we're going to take this like almost bronzy goldish shade, and we're going to pop this on the lid. Look at the pigmentation. This palette just like really amazes me because I've never used Makeup Revolution before, and these shadows are bomb. So now if we go back to the top row and take the very last shade with the same blending brush, I'm going to pick up just about that color and pop it right on the outer corner. And then from the 2nd row, the 4th shade, which is a deeper brownish tone, we're going to take that to add a more defined crease. And then you can just use a fluffy brush to kind of just blend out the edges. Then from the same palette, I'm going to go the first shade in the 2nd row, which is a whitish tone shade. I'm going to use that to highlight the brow bone. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush and pick up that same shade, and I'm going to pop that right in the inner corners. You will get a lot of fallout, so definitely have a fluffy brush around, because I've gotten so much fallout. It's like sitting right on top. Okay, that's not cool. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more foundation. I would say definitely put some kind of shadow guard or concealer or powder, because there's a lot of fallout, and now I feel like all of this is now red because of the shadow. Now I'm going to line my lash line, or my waterline, or my... Okay, let's try this again. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of foundation on my little sponge here, because seriously, you have so much fallout. So I'm going to quickly finish up my face before we do mascara. Okay dolls, so here is the completed eye makeup look. I absolutely love how the eyes turned out. We did use quite a bit of colors, but I love the tones. It like just blends in so well. I actually really like these shades on myself. I just think it really like brightens my face in a way. I don't know, but I really love these kind of tones, just like the Naked Heat palette. I love that palette just because of the colors in there. I think it goes very well with my skin tone. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have not found one of these yet, definitely pick it up. I love the pigmentation. It's just that it has quite a bit of fallout, but overall it's still really good, especially affordable for drugstore makeup. And like I showed in my haul video, I did get this from TJ Maxx for like $5.99, so that was quite a steal for awesome product. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thanks again so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on all my social media handles. All that will be on the screen or down below in the description box. And again, thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye!